Alright, so today I swapped out the wheels. These are the Mickey Thompsons. These are the ET Streets 275/50 15s. These are a sticky tire. They're kind of dirty. They're old. They probably won't even work. But we're gonna find out. So I still haven't been able to find tires for the front skinny wheels. So I'm still looking for that. Hopefully I can find some soon, and so I can put them on and take them to the track. We're gonna do a Draggy test and see if the car got any faster. I didn't do a Draggy test. Well, I actually tried to do the Draggy test after the underdrive pulleys, and I couldn't do one because the car kept spinning. Yes, even in second gear. And then if I took off in a lower RPM, the car bogged down a lot, so I couldn't get a good test. Ended up doing like a 9.9 or something like that in the 8. So now hopefully with these tires I'll be able to take off in first gear and see if we got any improvement out of it. So let's find out.